Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a glider from cardboard. First, gather your materials. You'll need a sturdy piece of lightweight, corrugated cardboard, a pair of sharp scissors, and some strong craft glue. Don't forget a ruler, a pencil, and a craft knife for precise cuts. These tools are essential for creating a well-constructed and aerodynamic glider that will fly smoothly. Next, let's design the key components. For the wings, aim for a wingspan of about 12 to 18 inches, giving your glider good lift. The fuselage, or body, should be approximately 8 to 12 inches long, providing a stable base. Remember to consider an airfoil shape for the wings. This subtle curve helps generate more lift, making your glider soar higher and farther. Now it's time for assembly. Carefully attach the wings to the fuselage using a strong adhesive, ensuring they are centered and level. Next, add a tail section, which includes both a horizontal and a vertical stabilizer. These are crucial for directional stability. Finally, balance your glider by adding small weights to the nose or tail until it glides smoothly without pitching up or down. With your glider assembled, it's time for the exciting part: test flights. Find a calm, open area, perhaps a large room or an outdoor space with minimal wind. Observe how your glider flies. Does it dive, stall, or turn unexpectedly? Make small, iterative adjustments to the wing angle or the tail's position. Even tiny changes can significantly improve its flight performance, helping it achieve a smooth, long glide.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.